Hi, my name is Katie Tomlin, and I'm the licensed therapist that's going to be working with you moving forward. I do specialize in trauma. Moving forward today, with our first session, we're going to do an assessment, but before we really dive into that, I do want to explain how confidentiality works and kind of be transparent on that with you moving forward and make sure that we both have an understanding. This is a safe place. What you share today in my office is going to be kept between you and I. I don't share it. I don't go and talk about it with anyone. But there are a few exceptions to confidentiality. And those kind of things look like mandated reporting. If I have suspicion of child abuse or maybe abuse to a vulnerable adult, those are things that I am legally binded by the state. I do have to report those. And I would be transparent with you when I was making that report as well. Another reason that confidentiality could potentially be broken is if I have concerns that maybe you might have a risk of suicide or there might be a risk of somebody else's life. In those cases, I may have to make a report, maybe even to a third party. In that case, your files and the information that I take note-wise throughout these sessions, those would not be shared. Only information pertaining to the danger is what I would share. Also, if I have a subpoena, I am legally obligated to turn over records. At that point, we would discuss that when the time came. Nobody likes, especially therapists, like to have subpoenas or have to appear in court. And if that is the case, only information pertaining to the case and need to know basis information would be given. You may see me writing and charting and documenting as we speak today, and I do document even online our sessions, but I am careful when I document, and I do want to remind you that this is a safe place. I want you to have that confidence in me. I want you to have that trust in me. For insurance and billing purposes, sometimes they require certain parts of files to be handed over for billing purposes. Again, those companies have things very well ordered. The information doesn't go anywhere, and it's not anything that would be made public record by any means. Do you have any questions about confidentiality? Because I know it can be kind of confusing to understand where those boundaries lie, but I also want you to ensure that you do feel safe and comfortable moving forward with me today.